Did you know you spend like 6 months of your life just waiting? Wait, waiting? Like doing nothing? Yeah, just waiting. Mostly for the bus. Welcome to English Pod Center, everyone. I'm Luna. Oh, right. Hi, I'm Lucas, and I literally hate waiting. Everyone hates it. But today we are learning about the bus stop. The bus stop? Okay. Why? Because, talking at the bus stop in English is really scary for people.
Yeah, it is. Like, what do I even say?
Exactly. That is the big problem for beginners.
If the bus is late, I just get angry. I don't talk. I just look at my phone.
No, you can talk. It is a great place to practice.
But my English is bad. I will look silly.
It is fine. We will make it very, very easy today.
Okay, good. Make it easy because I am not feeling smart today.
You are smart, Lucas. Okay, first thing, you walk down the street.
Okay, I am walking on the street.
You see a sign. It says bus stop.
Bus stop. Easy. I stand there.
Yes, but what if there are many people already there?
I stand in front of them?
No, never. You have to stand in a line.
A line, like one behind the other?
Yes, you wait in line. In the UK, they say queue, but we can just say line.
Queue? No, too hard. Line is better.
Okay, line. So you wait in line.
And I wait and wait. The bus is always late.
Always. It is like a very slow turtle.
A big, loud, smelly turtle.
Yes. So a person is next to you. You want to talk to them.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Practice your English, Lucas.
Fine. What do I say to the random person?
You can say, is the bus late?
Is the bus late? That is all?
That is all. Very simple. Or you can say, when is the bus coming?
When is the bus coming? Okay, I like that one.
Right? It is a very good question.
But wait, what if they talk really fast back to me?
If they talk fast, you just say, sorry, I don't understand.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I don't understand.
Yes, or you just smile and nod your head. I do that a lot. Just smile and look away. Me too. But okay, let's say the bus comes, finally.
Yes, the turtle is here.
The doors open. What do you do?
I walk in and sit down.
Stop, you have to pay first.
Oh, right, money. I need coins.
Well, you don't use paper money or coins usually. Not anymore.
I don't? Then how do I pay?
You use a card, like a bus card or a bank card.
Oh, I have a card in my wallet.
And you have to tap it.
Tap? What is tap?
Tap is like a fast touch. Boop.
Oh, boop. Like pushing a button.
Yes, you tap the card on the machine. It is like feeding a hungry robot.
Feeding a robot. I like that.
Yes, the robot wants a tap. Beep. Then you can walk in.
Wait, if it doesn't beep, is the robot angry at me?
Yes, Lucas. The robot gets very angry.
Oh no, I am scared of the angry robot.
No, I am joking. But if it makes a bad sound, like a buzz.
Buzz?
Yeah, a loud buzz. It means you have no money on the card.
Ah, no money, empty card.
Exactly. Or like maybe you tap too fast.
So what do? Do I run away?
No, Lucas, don't run. You just look at the driver.
The driver, the person driving the bus.
Right, the bus driver. You can just say, excuse me.
Excuse me? Okay, I can say that. Easy.
And if you only have cash, like paper money,
Right, paper money and coins.
you ask, how much is the ticket?
How much is the ticket?
Yes, very good.
Wait, Luna, what if I get on the wrong bus?
Oh, that is a big problem.
I know, I hate getting lost. It is very scary.
So before you pay the robot,
The card machine.
right, the card machine, before you pay, you ask the driver a question.
Okay, what do I ask?
You say, does this bus go to, and then your place.
Does this bus go to the park?
Yes, perfect.
Does this bus go to the hospital?
Exactly. Or like, does this bus go to the train station?
Oh, I like that. That is very useful.
But Lucas, you must remember,
Remember what?
the driver is very busy, so keep it short.
Short and fast. Don't tell a long story.
Right.
Don't say, "Hi, my name is Lucas, and I want to see ducks."
But I like the ducks.
The driver does not care about the ducks.
Okay. Just, does this bus go to the park?
Yes, good. So you pay, and then what next?
I sit down?
Yes, you find a seat, but wait.
What now?
What if the bus is, completely full?
Full? Like no seats?
Yeah, no seats at all.
Oh, then I stand up.
Yes, you stand, but you have to hold on.
Hold on to what? The driver?
No, do not hug the driver.
Okay, bad idea.
You hold the pole, the tall metal stick.
Oh, the pole, I see. Because the bus moves fast.
Yes, if you don't hold on, you will fall over.
Like a bowling pin. Bam!
Exactly. Bam! Down on the floor.
I don't want to fall. I will hold the pole very tight.
Good. Now you are on the bus. You are moving.
Just looking out the window.
Yes, but you need to know when to stop.
How do I know? Do I just guess?
No, Lucas. You don't guess. You look for the button.
The button. Where is the button?
It is on the pole, the yellow or red button.
Oh, like a game. I push it.
Yes, like a game. You push it, and it makes a sound.
What sound? Like a beep?
Yes, a loud ding or beep.
Ding. And then the bus stops right there?
No, it stops at the next bus stop.
Oh, the next stop. I wait.
Right, you must push it early, before your stop.
Wait. What if I forget? What if I am sleeping?
If you sleep, you miss your stop, Lucas.
Oh no, that is bad. I will not sleep.
Good idea. So the bus stops. What do?
I jump out.
No jumping. You walk to the door.
Which door, Luna? The front door?
The back door. You get in the front and get out the back.
In the front, out the back. Got it.
It is like a circle. Everyone moves one way.
That is smart. No bumping into people.
Exactly. Now, before you step out,
Do I pay again?
no, you already paid. You say something to the driver.
I say, goodbye?
You can say goodbye, but it is very nice to say thank you.
Just thank you?
Yes. Thank you, driver.
I like that. It is happy. Thank you, driver.
Perfect. Now you know how to ride the bus.
Wow, from the bus stop to the back door.
Yep. So let us practice, Lucas.
Okay, I am ready. Test me.
I am the bus. I am moving. Vroom.
Vroom. Okay, I want to stop.
What do?
I push the red button. Ding.
Good. The bus stops. Now what?
I walk to the back door, not the front door.
Very good. And you say?
Thank you, Luna. Thank you, driver.
Both are good. You did great.
Taking the bus is easy now. I was so scared.
It is easy when you know the words.
Card, pole, button, back door.
Yes, that is your new vocabulary.
I will use it tomorrow.
Awesome. Okay, everyone listening.
Oh yeah, right. It is their turn.
Yes, next time you see a bus,
Look for the number.
look for the number and think about the English words.
Tell us your favorite bus story in the comments.
Yes, we want to read them.
Did you ever fall down like a bowling pin?
Poor Lucas. Don't forget to hold the pole.
I won't. If you liked this lesson, subscribe.
Yes, subscribe to English Pod Center for more easy English.
See you next time. Bye.